Now, dear student, we are going to study about last topic of this chapter, standard time. As we know, different places located in different meridian. These are the meridian of longitude. Different places located in different meridian. So, if different places located in different meridian, same meridians become local time for the same place. But it is very difficult to follow for all the countries, because if different country going to follow different meridian their local time, then how it possible to allow the flight, either ship? Maybe there is a great chances for the accident. That is why all country follow their standard time. In the case of India, to avoid such problem, India follow their standard time 82 degree and 30 minute east. 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, which passes near the Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, follow as a standard time for the country. Same time follow by the eastern part of the country, western part of the country, northern and southern part of the country. In India only one time zone, 82 degree and 30 minute east longitude. Same line, 82 degree and 30 minute east, also known as standard meridian of country India. Always meridian, standard meridian selected divisible by 7 degree and 30 minutes. Why happened so? Because 7 degree 30 minutes, it means if we multiply 7 degree into 4 minutes, then we get 28 minutes. And 30 degree, it means 2 minutes. Because 1 degree 4 minutes, in 1 degree 60 minutes, so 60 minutes refers to 1 degree. So 30 minute calculation is 2. So 28 plus 30 become 28 plus 2 become 30. It means 7 degree 30 minute divisible by 7 degree 30 minute for expressed multiple of half an hour. There is differences from one meridian to another meridian half an hour. In the case of India, from prime meridian 0 degree longitude, which passes through the Greenwich in Britain, the time lag between 0 degree to 82 degree and half minute is 5 hour and half minute, 30 minute. It means 5 and 1.5 hours differences between 0 degree to 32 degree 30 minute east. Dear student, how these data collect? As we know, the longitudinal difference of India 68 degrees 7 minute east up to 97 degree 25 minute east. If we add these two data, 68 degree 7 minute, and 97 degree 25 minute. Then 7, 8, 15, and 9 and 6, 15 plus 1, 16. If we divide by 2 these only data, leave them a minute timing, then 165 divided by 2, 165 divided by 2, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4, 1. Here we got 82 degree. By this way, calculation nearer to the 82 degree and 30 minute east. So it's taken as a standard meridian of India. If we follow this time, then there is no conflict between any states regarding follow the times. All the watches show same time. But what happened if different country follow their local time? Then in order to movement from one meridian to another meridian, from one to another, again one to another, there is a need to set the watches again and again. So we can say, for avoiding these problems, we follow standard time. And finally we can say that 0 degree standard time, prime meridians known as GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, and beside standard time, standard meridians known as IST, Indian Standard Time. So these are some information regarding the standard time. By this way, this chapter finished.